Did you know that about 50 million people move around the U.S. every year? That's a lot of U-Box containers and a ton of stuff.
And with all that moving going on, it's time for the U-Box 101 lesson. I want to share with everyone how to get the most out of the U-Box experience.
And JR here is our resident U-Box expert. He literally knows this container inside and out. Let's take a second and talk about how and why this 8x5 by 7.5 foot storage box has truly revolutionized the moving industry.
Well, first, this box is extremely well designed because we looked at what the competition was offering, and then from the ground up, we built a better box. This box offers 257 cubic feet of interior space and can hold up to 2,000 pounds. And look at how low our floor is, only 6 inches off the ground. So getting things in and out is super easy. And we made sure it fits all mattress sizes, even the king you have at home.
And when it comes to security?
When it comes to security, it's your lock, your keys, so just like your car or your front door, you have the key, so only you have the access. So Nick, let me tell you why the U-Box container is better at protecting your belongings than the competition. Now the other guys, you know, the folks with a big white box, the ones that take up way too much space in your driveway and cost way more than U-Box, well, their containers are made with a steel frame construction. Now that may sound good, but no, it's not, and here's why. Imagine their metal box sitting in the sun. It's like an incubator in there. The heat causes condensation, and condensation can cause mold and mildew. Well, that's not good.
But with your pressure-treated, breathable plywood U-Box,
there's no condensation because the wood breathes, so no mold, no mildew.
And that's a huge plus.
Now, their roll-up front door is not watertight, and that can lead to water leakage. And then, well, your stuff is toast. Our U-Box container has double reinforced edges and is covered in an 18-ounce durable seamless polyvinyl cover. And then it's topped with a molded plastic cap that protects the entire box from any kind of water leakage. And we haven't even mentioned that U-Box is the lowest cost option in the industry that ships to the most places. U-Haul is in every large city and small town across America. The other guys can't do that or say that.
We do have the best box in the business, and we have more cool U-Box information right after this.